Hey, this is Blaine with sfbtraders.com, and I'm looking at stocks on watch for Friday, June the 14th. First one up, RPXC. This is a breakout potential over 16. It's been known to run in the past, so if it can break through 16, I would not be surprised to see it get another buck or two. RVLT. This sector has just been hot lately over the past few months. Looking for continuation breakout over 4. If it can do that, then look for it to at least go to 420-ish. And then if that high from MEG can break, then it should continue higher. I like this chart for a bigger move soon. HSOL, solar stocks have been hot lately, and it's been consolidating just below this 180 mark. So if it can actually break through that 180, it probably pushes back towards 2 at least there. MEG, maybe not in play right away, but I'm watching for the 10 break. If we can get through that 10 mark, the high from May, then we should continue higher. PLCM, nice ascending triangle here on the daily chart. Looking for a push towards 12 if it can break out of this thing. If not more, that 12 will be the next resistance level though from the highs back in January. So if it can break through this mark, we should get to 12, and then if that can break, then it will continue higher. But ascending triangle is one of my favorite chart patterns to play. Had to throw BlackBerry in here, BBRY. If we can get through 1450, it should continue higher. Nice alert today on the gap up just below 14, and then as it pushed through 14, I think maybe a few in the room traded it higher on that initial spike out the door. So nice day for this thing, and if it can get through that 1450 mark, it should continue higher. GTN, the 6 breakout was alerted today. Nice push all the way to 640. Hopefully it opens relatively weak and then can break through that high and push towards 7. If it gaps up, we'll just have to see what it gives. Maybe a dip to fill the gap for a buy opportunity, or a high of daybreak to take it long towards 7. But 7 is definitely the target here if it starts to go again. AVNR, we have a small continuation pattern set up that if it can actually break through this mark, which was the high there was 430, the high there was 434, and today's high was 428. So if we can get through that 430, 434 mark, then we should be ready for another pop similar to what it did. We almost have the exact same pattern here. We have the exact same pattern for it popped there, and then it's set up again. Maybe it'll pop again higher towards maybe 470-ish. So keep this one on your watch for sure. Looking at TVL now, this is one of the best performing charts over the past year, from from about $3 all the way to $14 in the past year. And it had a continuation breakout today. So now if we zoom in, I'll just zoom into 2 months. We can see that breakout clearly, that we get that breakout. So now today's high was 1416, and if we can actually get through that 1416 mark tomorrow, then I say this probably goes higher towards 15. BIZM, it's a penny stock promotion going on right now. This will eventually crash hard, so if you play it, just make sure you pay yourself on the way up or have a tight stop loss there. Nice breakout on Monday. Blew the doors off there pretty much all the way from 180 straight to 3, and then it's been trading just pretty much below 3, except for the outlier there, but pretty much below 3 until the end of the day today. As soon as it started to break out of 3, this might be ready to go again. So looking for push towards those highs, and if they can actually squeeze the shorts out of this thing, they'd probably get a nice run, especially considering it's already capable of running. This to me is a continuation breakout, and then the next test will be that 330 mark. So if you buy in the morning, your stop loss risk will be if 3 fails, your target will be if 330, at least for half of it, and then if that can break out, then it might be ready to run all the way towards 350 or higher. We'll just have to see what it gives us in the morning. But anyway, there's some stocks to watch for Friday, June the 14th. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will see you in the trading room.